Hello, this is X, and today we want to talk about how to install Python 3.8.3. And we go to website Google, and we Google Python, and the first website is python.org, or we can just write it in our toolbar, and here we go. This is downloads buttons, and here is Python 3.8.3. After that, we download it, and here it comes. Open it and run. Okay. Here is two options. You can install a launcher for all users or to pass. I want to install all users, not different. Install now, and we wait to finish the setup. Okay, till it's installed on my PC, we want to talk about more about these versions. You can come here and select all release, and here we go. There is Python versions, you can choose them, and also you can download it for Linux, Mac, or anything else you want. And there is other versions of this. Just this is not very important, but if you want to install it on other platforms, you can use this page, downloads and on release. Okay, I'm back, and now it's installed. It's very easy, and for the end, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to learn programming as fast as possible, especially Python, C, and Java. You can like it, subscribe, and don't forget to ask me your questions.